Hello everybody, welcome to my channel Crypto Explorer. Just a quick video today about this website eos-token.org. I got a bunch of messages asking about this site, this airdrop, whether or not it's legit or not, and just to get it out of the way, no, this is not legit. This is a scam website. It is not um, it's basically a website just to collect your data. It's a phishing website. So let's just go through it and I'll show you. And as you can see, I kind of just messed around with it. So it's asking for your Ethereum address, and then it's asking for your EOS balance, and I'm going to put 1 million, and of course it's going to tell you you're going to get that many EOS tokens. Click continue, and if that wasn't the red flag, here is the biggest red flag. Enter your private key. So under no circumstance should you have to enter your private key in order to participate in any airdrop. If anyone's asking for your private key, it is automatically a scam, because once you give them their private key, they can take everything from you. Um, they can drain your funds, not only of your Ethereum or your EOS, whatever ERC20 tokens that you have in that wallet. So please do not enter your private key. No airdrop is worth it. And if they are asking for it, I would say it's 99.9% a scam. I would actually say it's 100% a scam. No, it's not required, and no legitimate project will ask you for your private key. And as you can see over here, they're trying to be helpful here and showing you how to get your private key, but they're just doing it so they can scam you. If you go to the base of the website, here's even more uh, uh, evidence that it is a scam. You can see they're actually trying to make like this is a Medium post, but this is not Medium at all. Like even this clap, nothing, nothing. This is just a facade. It goes to nowhere. But the only button that really works is the one that they care, claiming this. That's it. So anyway, just want to keep this short. Be careful out there. Do not use this website eos-token.org. It is a scam site. Also, just to let you know, here's what's interesting. This has been around for a while, eos-token.org, and for some reason, well, I know probably why. The reason why it's not taken down yet. If you look at the XUEZ, this site, its name servers are in Russia, so most likely their web hosting is in Russia, and that's probably the main reason why the site has not been taken down. What I'm curious though is it hasn't been flagged yet, so hopefully the domain will get flagged soon. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching. Stay safe out there.